Hello, my name's Stanley. Today I'm working without rushing and without wanting to take everything. Just calm trading and the goal of multiplying my small balance several times over. Today I'll follow one clear strategy and watch how the market reveals itself. This strategy doesn't require guessing, it shows the readiness of the movement and helps to easily determine the direction of the trend. And in this video, I'll break it down step by step and show you how to navigate it. The finale will be as revealing as possible. And I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Enjoy watching. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Parabolic SAR and the Williams. Let's configure the Parabolic SAR first. Set acceleration to 0.03. Set maximum acceleration to 0.3. And in style, let's change the color to turquoise and the width to 2 and save. Let's configure the Williams, set the period to 10, go to Style and set the width of the main line to 2, set the width of the -20 and -80 lines to 2 and move the opacity to the right and save. So, the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phone, set it up the same way. The starting situation looks very good. Expiration is 1 minute and I'm opening a long trade for $34. Let's break down the strategy step by step to understand why an upward scenario is emerging here. First, look at the Parabolic SAR. The moment its points begin to form under the candles, the market clearly changes its mood. Pressure from above weakens, the price stops updating lows and begins to prepare for an upward movement. This is one of the first signs that the trend is beginning to reverse upward. And next, we must confirm the situation using the Williams. Its turquoise line crosses the green line from bottom to top, showing that momentum is supporting growth. The market ceases to be sluggish, movements become more directional, and the structure gradually builds upwards. Great! I've locked in $31 in profit and continue the session. If you need a clear and honest format without unnecessary noise, then join my Telegram channel. There you will find market analysis, auto-copying, closed strategies and personal support. No paid entry and no management of your funds. The group is small and will be closed soon. If this format appeals to you, just write to me. The next section of the market looks more stable and structured. Expiration is 1 minute and I'm opening a long trade for $65. The price sharply picks up the movement and begins to accelerate upward. The momentum looks really strong and lively, without hesitation or doubt. The market seems to have decided on a direction and is moving confidently forward, giving no reason to doubt the strength of the growth. The movement becomes clearly directed. The candles close above the previous ones, the pullbacks are minimal and are quickly bought out. It's clear that the pressure from buyers is only increasing and the growth structure remains clear and logical. And at this point, the indicators fully confirm what's happening on the chart. They synchronously point to an uptrend and perfectly complement the picture. Everything looks consistent, calm, and suggests that the upward movement has a good chance of continuing. And the movement is working out confidently. I recorded a $60 profit and the market maintains its momentum. After a series of impulses, the chart begins to show signs of overheating. Expiration is 1 minute, and I'm opening a short trade for $887. After a sideways movement, the price makes a sharp jump upward, as if it's going to continue growing, but the momentum quickly fizzles out. There's no continuation. The next candles don't support the movement. The market seems to encounter resistance and begins to carefully give up its positions. And further, the price smoothly goes into a downward correction without sharp collapses, but confidently enough for the direction to become clear. The closes shift lower, the pressure from above gradually intensifies, and the structure begins to turn downward. At this point, the indicators fully confirm what's happening. Both clearly indicate a decline and don't give conflicting signals. And here, my friend, is an important point. For Parabolic SAR, you don't need to wait for a long series. Just 2 points are enough for the signal to be considered valid. The main thing is that the general direction is confirmed by other indicators. And friend, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to write to me in a private message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. And the scenario is playing out exactly as planned. I'm locking in $816 in profit and moving on. Today's final trade. The timer is set at 1 minute. And I'm opening a long trade for $1,703. The price continues to move upwards steadily and confidently. The chart shows a series of good green candles that are closing consistently higher, without deep pullbacks or excessive nervousness. The movement looks collected and neat without sharp spikes. And at the same time, the momentum is not weakening. The market shows no signs of fatigue, pressure from buyers remains, and the growth structure remains clear and readable. Each subsequent step up looks like a logical continuation of the previous one. And in this scenario, the chart is looking confidently upward, and there's no sense that the movement is about to end. On the contrary, everything indicates that the growth has the potential to continue further. And the final entry is being worked out. I'm locking in $1,567 in profit, and my balance reaches $3,270. So, let's sum up the results. As a result of this trading session, my balance has grown from $34 to $3,270. A very good result. And if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, please don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!